How to open a US bank account online from any country. Welcome everyone. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can create a digital USA bank account from anywhere. So from whichever country you are, you can actually create a local US bank account online after watching this video. And here you can see this is my USA bank account I have just recently created. And here I have my bank account name, bank account address, routing number, SWIFT code and account number. And in this bank account, I can receive payments from any local US bank. Also, I can receive payments from any client's marketplace, US Amazon affiliate, and from all other services and platform where a US bank account required. And this is especially very helpful for freelancer, online sellers, and businesses with international clients. So let me show you how you can open a US bank account online just like me. So to create a digital US bank account, here we're gonna be using Payoneer. And Payoneer is a widely recognized, reputed, and trusted payment platform which you can use to send and receive payments. So in order to create a US bank account online, first we need to create a Payoneer account. And also we need to set up and verify that account. And in this video, you will learn everything from creating your Payoneer account to creating your digital US bank account. So first, what you have to do, come over to official website of Payoneer. Also, I will leave a link of Payoneer in the description of this video. You can click on that link and come to this page. Now, as we are gonna be creating a Payoneer account, here let's click on sign in. And here we have sign up option. So to create your Payoneer account, here click on sign up under sign in. And here Payoneer will ask what kind of account you need. And here you can select from all these options. Here we have freelancer, business to business ID, consulting, digital service provider, e-commerce marketplace seller, wholesale or manufacturer, D2C brand and other business. Here most of you are creating a US bank account for freelancing, affiliate marketing, e-commerce and much more. So here you can select on any of these options, it doesn't matter because the process of creating and verifying your Payoneer account will be pretty much the same. So as I want a US bank account to receive Amazon US payments, here I'm gonna be selecting e-commerce marketplace seller. And then here I'm gonna be selecting get paid by multiple e-commerce marketplaces. Now here I recommend you to not select 0 USD. Here just select under 10,000 USD and that's how you can get your Payoneer account approved fast. So here I'm gonna select under 10,000 USD. And now here let's click on register. And now here we are in Payoneer sign up steps. So here at first it says, is your business registered with any government, business licensing or tax authority? Here I'm gonna select no because my business is not registered. And most of your business is definitely not registered with government. So you are definitely going to be selecting no. So once you selected that, now here we come to the important parts. And here you need to enter your first name, last name, email address, and also you need to re-enter that email address and date of birth. And make sure your name and date of birth is everything accurate. I mean everything should matches what's displayed on your government issued ID. So here enter your real name and date of birth. So let me fill up these fields real quick. So after entering your real legal name, email address and date of birth, now here click on next. And here under contact details at the top, make sure your country is selected and then under that provide your residential address. Here just type your city, town or village name, and if you don't find it, then here we have the option to enter the address manually. So here let's click on enter address manually. And then now under we have city and postal zip code options. So here enter your address, city and zip code. So let me fill up these details real quick. So after adding your address, now you need to enter your mobile number. So here at the left, make sure your country code is selected and then right to it, just enter your phone number. So let me enter my phone number real quick. Now you need to verify your phone number and under we have send code option. So here click on send code. And then here in verification code field, enter the verification code you receive on your phone number. After entering the correct verification code, now here again click on next. And then you need to enter your security details. And first at the top under your username, you will see your email address. And then you have to create a strong password which should contain at least 7 characters, including at least 1 alphabet and 1 number. So create a strong password accordingly. After creating a strong password, under that re-enter that password. And then next, select a security question. You can select any of this question which is relevant to you. So let me select a question. After selecting your security question, under that write down your security answer. And then we have to fill up our ID details. So first here under issuing country of ID, you will have your country name. And then under it you have ID type. So select your ID type. And here in India, we have PAN, passport and other option. And if you are from other country, then you will have different options here. So here I'm going to be selecting PAN. And after selecting your ID type, just write to it under ID number, provide your ID number. And then under that, provide your name, which is also on your ID. Now after correctly filling all these details, here again let's click on next. And here we are almost done. And here you have to add your bank account for withdrawals that belongs to you and your company. So whenever you receive any payments on your US bank account, that money will get added to your Payoneer account, and in Payoneer you can withdraw your money to your personal bank account. So here at the top we have two options, personal account and business account. So if you have a business bank account, here you can only add a company bank account that belongs to you. But most of you have personal bank account. So here we're gonna be selecting personal bank account. And now you have to enter your bank account details accurately. And first here you will have your bank country, and your country will be automatically selected. And then under that you have to select your currency. Here I'm gonna be selecting INR. I can also select USD, but here I'm gonna be selecting INR. After selecting your currency, now you need to enter your bank name. So if you don't find your bank from this list, then you can just scroll down to the bottom and here select other. And then under that, enter your bank name manually. As my bank account is from Bank of India, here I'm gonna enter Bank of India. After entering your bank name, under that you will see bank account holder name. And if you have already provided your ID from the previous steps, here your name will be automatically selected. Now next you need to enter your account number and IFSC code, and this code is only available in India. And if you are from different country, here you will have different options like your bank account code that you can find on your bank statement. And then under that it will ask you to enter your government issued ID number again. So enter your government issued ID number. Here it's telling me to enter my PAN account details as I'm from India. So let me fill up all my bank account details accurately. So after filling your bank account details, lastly under that you need to select your account type. So here select what type of bank account that you are using. And almost everyone uses saving account, and current account is actually only used for business purpose. So as my bank account is a saving account, here under account type, I'm gonna select saving. After selecting your account type, now you need to agree to terms and conditions of Payoneer, and also you need to agree to their pricing and fees. So here let's select on both these boxes and then let's click on submit. And here you can read, congratulations, your Payoneer account applications has been submitted successfully and now it is being reviewed. And you will receive an email confirmation within the next several business days once your application has been reviewed. And once your application is approved, you will receive an email confirmation and you can begin receiving payments to your account. But there are more account verification things you will need to do after getting approved. So let me wait until I receive a confirmation mail. And just after 10 minutes, I received this mail from Payoneer that they have approved my application for a Payoneer account. And now I can get started and I can sign into my Payoneer account. And just like me, if you have provided your account details correctly, your Payoneer account application will be approved as soon as possible. So now here, let's click on sign in. So after getting approved from Payoneer, now you need to sign into your Payoneer account so that you can verify your address and identity in order to create a US bank account. So here in this page, enter your email address and password and then click on sign in. So let me do this real quick. And now you will receive a verification code on your phone number. So here enter your code and click on submit. And then you will get your Payoneer account recovery code. And you have to copy this code and you have to keep it in a safe place so that in future if you forget your password and you lose access to your phone number or something like that, then you can recover your Payoneer account using this code. So here I'm gonna copy it and now let's click on OK. And here it is, I am now in the dashboard of my Payoneer account. And before continuing to my account, I have to update my security settings and also I have to update my profile settings. So first let's update security settings. So here let's click on update now. And here you will be asked 3 security questions. So here select 3 security questions and then enter answer of those 3 security questions. So let me do this real quick. After filling answer of your security questions, now here click on change. And then again enter the verification code you will receive on your phone number. After entering your code, now click on submit. And here it is, my security settings has been updated. Now let's move on to profile settings. So just try to update your profile settings. Here click on update now. And here you have to select a purpose code. And here you can find so many purpose code. So select a purpose code that is relevant to your business. So as I am a freelancer YouTuber and I do online business, here I'm gonna be selecting advertising trade fair services. And if you don't find your purpose code here, you can just find it online. So after selecting your purpose code that is relevant to your business, here click on save. And now here it's telling me to update my phone number for two-step verification, but I can do it later. So for now, let's click on this cross icon. And now here, let's click on done. And here it is. This is our dashboard of your Payoneer account will look like after filling your security and purpose code details. Now the next important thing we need to do is the verification. And here you will have a message like this. You have information to submit in the verification center. So here let's click on submit now. And here under verification center, we have two options, open items and history. And here you have to do nothing with history. So here let's select on open items. And at first it will ask you to update your importer exporter code if relevant. So it says if relevant, that means if you have any import export code, you have to provide here and you have to submit here. So if you run any kind of big business where you get your import and export code, you can provide it here. But if you don't have your import export code, you can leave this option. So here you don't have to provide any import export code, as most of you will not have this code. So now here under, let's click on keep your Payoneer account running smoothly. And to make sure your payments are sent and received without unnecessary delays, here Payoneer will ask you to provide your government issued photo ID and it will ask you to verify your address. So first we need to provide our government issued photo ID. So just write to it. Let's click on submit. And here they have instructions how you're gonna upload. And here what they need. A high quality photo of an original government issued document that verifies your identity. So you have to take a high quality photo of your original government issued ID. And under it, they have clarified why they need this. So Payoneer asks our ID to get to know us better and enhance the safety of our account. And they will use our ID document to verify our name, date of birth and ID number. So that's why they need this government issued ID. And then under it, they are providing tips to get it successfully done. I mean to get your government issued ID verification success. Now here they are saying, make sure your document is issued in the country listed in your Payoneer profile settings, and they will ask for additional information if you submit a document issued ID by a different country. And your ID should not be expired and it should contain up-to-date information. And it should be clear, uncropped, and should show your document from edge to edge with no part obscured by your camera flash. So you have to take a photo of your government issued ID accordingly. And then under that you will have your country name, and if it is not selected then just select your country. And then next you will have your documents options. So here again I have passport, PAN card and Aadhaar card options. I am from India, so that's why I have these options. And if you are from different country, then here you will have different options like your driving license ID, voter ID and much more. So here I'm gonna be selecting my PAN card. And here again this is must show your name, ID number, date of birth and photo. After selecting your ID type, now we can upload our files here. So here they support JPG, PNG, GIF, TIFF and PDF file. And here I strongly recommend you to select PDF file so that it will get verified easily. And if you don't have your PDF file for your government issued ID, then you can simply convert your image to PDF. And there are so many videos you can find on YouTube where you can convert your photo to PDF. And if you have any option to download your government issued ID on your country's government website portals, then definitely download that ID in PDF file and submit here, and your verification will be more faster. So here let me browse and select my document real quick. And here I have my document in PNG format, and if you have PDF, I strongly suggest you to upload your PDF file. So after selecting your ID, now here click on submit. And here it is. Thank you for submitting the information we requested. Please complete the following required actions below. And here now we have to verify our address. So now here let's click on submit, right to verify your address. And here you can read what they need. Your document must contain your full name and your complete residential address. And then under you can read why they need this, and also they have tips for success. And here they have a note. Any pending transaction will not be processed until your address is verified. So address verification is also one of the most important steps. Now under which document are you submitting, you will have options to verify your address. And here I have utility bill and bank document. So if you are from different country, again you will have different options here, and you might even have this bank document option. So here I'm gonna be selecting bank document, and under it this is it must have been issued in past 3 months. So if you are providing your bank document, then make sure your bank account has been opened 3 months ago. So now let me select my bank document real quick. And here again I have selected a high quality photo of my bank account passbook statement. So after it finished uploading, let's click on submit. And here this says thank you for submitting the information we requested. Now here let's click on view additional required actions. So after providing your ID and address details, there's nothing you need to do. And here if we click on history, here you can find status of your verification. So here you can see my bank document, it is under review, and my PAN card is also under review. And after uploading your document and once it get verified, here you can check status of your verification if they have approved or not. And you can come to verification center by clicking your profile at the top right and then settings. And here you can find verification center option. And here also you can check your profile settings. Okay, so now let's go to home. And here you can see I have a message. Your account is approved. So if you do correctly as I mentioned in this video, your account also will be approved fast. So after uploading your IDs for address and identity verification, it will take some time to verify your ID and address. Now in the meantime, we can create our US bank account. So now to open a US bank account, here on the left section under home, click on get paid. And under get paid, we have three options: request a payment, batch payments, request to multiple pairs, and receiving accounts. And here you have to select receiving accounts so that you can create your US bank account. So here let's click on receiving accounts. And here you can read get bank account details in the countries where you get paid. Receiving accounts will give you bank account details in different countries and currencies. It is like having a local bank account wherever you do your business. So here now let's click on get started. And here you can find benefits for using a local receiving accounts. And here you can read this. Now let's click on next. And now here you can select your country. So here we have USA, Eurozone, UK, Canada, Australia, and UAE. And under all banks, we can read their guidelines. Like here in US bank, you can read these guidelines. You can use this US bank account for local bank transfer within the US in USD by SES network. And here under this, it's only payments for business transactions from business accounts are supported. And these are the things that you can do in your US bank. And things you cannot do in this US bank are listed below. Like payments from any personal bank accounts will be declined. Payments made from a bank account in your name also will be declined. And wire transfer are not supported. And transfer will actually take 1 to 3 business days. And fees for receiving payments are free for transaction of 100 USD or higher. And if it is less than 100 USD, then you will be charged by just $1. So now here let's click on this cross icon. And here let's select USD. And let's click on next. And here you can read, before issuing your account details, Payoneer may ask us for some information to help them verify our identity and business. So here now, let's click on submit request. And now here you can read, to open your receiving accounts, please provide us the document listed below. So at first, government issued photo ID, which I have already provided and it has been submitted. Now next we have to submit receiving account questionnaire. So here click on submit. And here you have to select what do you mainly use your Payoneer account for. Here I'm going to be selecting to receive payments from marketplace I sell on. And then I'm going to be selecting to receive payments from business I work with, and to accept credit debit card payments, and also to consolidate and convert currencies. Now after that, you have to select the category that best describe your line of business. So here you can find so many options. Here I'm going to be selecting marketing, as I am going to be using this US bank account to receive payments from Amazon affiliate. And what I recommend you guys to here, just select on any options that you find relevant to your business. So after selecting the category that best describes your line of business, now next you have to select the description that most accurately describe what you do. So here let me select. And here I have affiliate marketing option. So here I'm going to be selecting affiliate marketing. And then I have to briefly describe my business. For example, who are my customers, or what service or products I provide. So here I'm going to be writing, I specialize in affiliate marketing and freelancing. My services include content creation, social media management, photo editing, etc. So just write a brief description about your business, that what you do. After that, you have to provide URL of your business website or your online store web page. So if you are a freelancer and if you have your portfolio, then you have to enter the URL of your portfolio here. Or if you are a YouTuber, then you can enter your YouTube channel URL here. And if you own any kind of website, then you can enter your website URL here. And if you have good followers in social medias, then also here you can enter links of your social media account as well. As I have my YouTube channel here, I'm going to be entering my YouTube channel URL. So here let me enter my YouTube channel URL. After entering your URL, next you have to select what is the connection of your web page or URL that you have provided. Here, as I own my YouTube channel, I'm gonna select I manage my page within the website/hosted platform. And if you don't find your preferred options here, you can select other as well. Now next you have to select what is your business average monthly payment volume, incoming plus outgoing. So here I'm going to select 501 USD to 2500 USD. And even if your business average monthly payments volume incoming plus outgoing is below 500 USD, here I recommend you to select 501 to 2500 USD. And also my YouTube channel is not making even 300 USD per month. But here I have to select more, and that's how you can get your US bank account approved easily. So after selecting your business average monthly payment volume, now here at the bottom, let's click on submit. And here it is, as you can see, it has been submitted. And now I have to wait until I get a mail from Payoneer that I will get a USA bank account that I have requested. And it will take some time, like for 1 day, 2 days, or even 3 days, or even weeks. Now next thing, you need to verify your bank account. So here in the Payoneer homepage, on the left section, click on bank accounts. And here you can see your name of your bank and bank account that you had previously submitted while creating your Payoneer account. And here you can see my bank account is active. And if I click on my bank, here it says bank account verification pending. We are verifying the bank account using micro deposit. Do you receive the micro deposit to your bank account? Provide them now. And also in verification center, I have a bank account verification pending. And here it says to submit it. And here they have a submit option right to it. And here if I click on submit, here you're going to read, here again you're going to read they will deposit 2 small amounts in my bank account, and I have to enter those amounts here in order to verify my bank account. And that's what you're going to do as well. And here this is the amount should be deposited by next day. So let me wait until I receive 2 small deposits on my bank account from Payoneer. So 1 day later, I got 2 small deposits from Payoneer on my bank account, and you also will get 2 small deposits from Payoneer to your bank account within 1 day. And you can find those 2 small deposits on your bank account mini statement. And also if you are linked your phone number to your bank account, you might receive that deposit on your message box as well. So here as you can see, this is the message I got from my bank, and these are 2 small deposits I received from Payoneer. So after receiving 2 small deposits from Payoneer, now log into your Payoneer account and click on bank accounts. And then here, select your bank account. And just right to it here, click on provide them now. And now here in the both fields, enter your deposited amount. So here at first, I'm gonna enter the first amount that I received from Payoneer. And then under it, I'm gonna enter the second amount that I received from Payoneer. After entering your deposited amount, to verify your bank account, here click on verify. And here it is, your bank account has been verified. Now here let's click on back to verification center. And you're going to start getting paid to your receiving accounts. And if I click on here, they are saying one of the document that I have provided is not acceptable. I need to resubmit that document here. And if I click on history, you can see how many times my document got not accepted. And that's because I uploaded PNG file, and that's the reason why I recommend you to upload your PDF file. If it is possible, you have to provide your downloaded PDF document. Like if you are providing your bank document for address verification, you need to actually download your bank statement from online banking and you need to submit here. So my bank document is actually has not been accepted because I had uploaded an image of it. And same goes for PAN card. I had an image of my PAN card, and that's the reason why that did not get accepted. But once I uploaded my Aadhaar card for ID verification, it got accepted because I had downloaded my Aadhaar card PDF file from the website. And you have to do the same. And for the bank document, I have to do the same. I need to download my bank statement PDF and I have to resubmit it again. So if you provide your PDF file of your documents will be approved so fast. So next, I will actually upload my bank document here, like my PDF statement of my bank document. And I will not show that step in this video because it is not that complicated. Just I need to submit my bank documents under starting getting paid to your receiving accounts here. I have to just upload a PDF file. So I will actually upload my bank document and then I will wait until I get my US bank account. So in the next day, 2 days later, after I resubmitted my bank document for address verification and that actually got verified, I got this mail from Payoneer that my requested USA bank account has been approved. And now let me show you it on my Payoneer account. So once you received that email, log into your Payoneer account and here at the left, click on get paid and then click on receiving accounts. And here you can find your approved bank accounts. And under it, you can see this is my USA bank account and it got recently approved. And under your bank account, you can see your last payment date. If you receive any kind of payment, it will be shown here. And here, if you click on your bank account, here you can read under account guidelines. Account can be used to receive international bank transfer in USD via SWIFT network, and transfer usually will take 1 to 3 business days. And I have already mentioned about fees. If it is less than 100 USD, you have to pay $1. And if it is higher than 100 USD, you won't be charged anything. And then under that, you can find your all US bank accounts details. You can find your bank name, bank address, routing AVN number, SWIFT code, account number, account type, and beneficiary name. I mean your name. And these details you're gonna be using to receive payments. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you can create a USA bank account online. And if you think I helped you, then I request you to leave a like and comment in this video for a YouTube algorithm. I would highly appreciate that because it took so much time to create this video. And I would be very happy if you just hit that like button and leave a comment in this video. So thank you, my friends, for watching this video. And if you want to sign up and set up a PayPal business account, then watch this video and I will see you in the next one.